Greeting from the Maine West Auto Shop. Today we're going to go over using our Hunter alignment rack, getting it set up, doing the roll forward sweep, and getting our initial measurements. First thing we need to do is make sure the vehicle is positioned correctly, make sure that the vehicle is centered on the 4-post lift, make sure the front tire is lined up in the center of the turn plates. Turn plates are pushed all the way up against, and that the center of this turn plate is lined up with the center of the tire. Then we can make sure we have the computer set up. Make sure the alignment rack is turned on. If it's already on, you can press reset, the escape key, to clear out all the old data. Select the vehicle. You can either select the make and model and year, or you can use the scan and actually scan the barcode for the VIN code. It will automatically update. And use the scanner and scan the barcode. Make sure the pins are in the turn plates and slip plates at the rear. Make sure the turn plates are centered on the tire and pushed all the way up against the back. Make sure the rear wheel is blocked, your steering wheel is straight, and then you can mount the targets onto the wheels. Targets on the wheel, each wheel needs to have the correct target on there. There's a marking and diagram on the side of the target. Use the arms. Grab onto the side of the tire, use your thumb, lock it in place. We'll start off with the arms horizontal here, all 4 tires. Mount all 4 targets. Make sure all 4 targets are on the correct wheels and that you have a clear vision of all of them. If you see an error message that it's not currently seeing the target, or an image like this indicating the target's not mounted correctly, please go back and make sure all the targets are mounted correctly before you roll the vehicle forward. And then your screen should look like this. The vehicle should be in neutral as we are here. Parking brake off, and now we can roll the vehicle forward. You're going to roll the vehicle forward so that the front tire is centered on those turn plates and that the graph on the front turns green. Have a partner watch out front on the screen. Take your front jump block, move it forward. Now we're going to roll the vehicle forward so all those graphs turn green. Make sure we stand behind the target to do this. We don't want to get our hands all over the car. We also don't want to block the target so it can't be seen. Behind the target and just roll the vehicle forward onto the turn plates. Once we have everything set, we're going to slide our chalk block back into place. You should be seeing a new screen up front. Now we're going to install our brake pedal depressor located on the back of the alignment rack. Use your right foot, press down on the brake pedal, put the end of the brake pedal depressor onto the brake pedal itself. Take the metal tab, slide it all the way up against the seat, let go of the pedal, and that should hold it in place so the vehicle can't move while we're doing our alignment. Make sure we leave with the key in the on position so that the steering wheel will be able to move as we do our sweep. Now we're going to remove the pins from our turn plates and do the same thing on the other side. So we now do our steering wheel sweep. And now from outside the vehicle, we'll do our steering wheel sweep. Following our image on the screen, going for green. Careful not to lean or push on the car. Last with a little bit touchy as you try and get the steering wheel centered again. And now you have your measurements. You need to make sure you're out of the way of the reflectors so that all the screens can be seen. And now to see your measurements, you can go to Show Vehicle Measurements, Show All Values, and these will be the before measurements you record on your worksheet. So to adjust the toe here on the passenger side, what we're going to do first is hold onto the inner tie rod, that's the part painted yellow, and loosen the jam nut, that's part painted blue here. Move the jam nut out of our way. And then adjust the length by tightening or loosening the inner tie rod. As you move it one way, you'll see that we will go further away from our spec. If we go to the other way, you'll see us getting closer to our spec. So we are going to move ourselves until we are in the green on the screen. And realize as we tighten this jam nut here at the end, it is going to slightly change our spec. So make sure you're doing a nice job of holding onto the inner tie rod. Move your jam nut, and then make sure the jam nut is tight so you don't lose your carefully aligned front side. Now I go to the other side, the exact same procedure. Now that we've completed the front and toe, jam nuts are tight. Record all your specifications on your worksheet, call over your instructor so they can verify. Normally now you'd be done with the alignment, you'd be working at the car out of the shop. For us here at Maine West, we need to get the car ready for the next group, so we need to move everything back out of alignment. So set the front toe again out of alignment, somewhere between 1/4 and 1/2 degree on both sides. Take out the brake pedal depressor, remove the key from the ignition, roll the car back, reinstall the pins and the turn plates, remove the targets from the wheels hanging in the back on the side of the alignment machine, and then show your instructor.